Hello everyone, today I will show you how to select and drag a clickable checkboxes on your fillable PDF form using Foxit PDF Editor. This is my clickable checkboxes. I will make select and edit. Now click on this form option already selected, and here you will find a select icon. Click on the down and select annotation. You can select dragging your mouse cursor all of them. Press up and down your keyboard. Also you can press Ctrl A. Select all of the boxes on your fillable PDF form. If you want to select a specific one, click first one. Now press Ctrl key from your keyboard and select another one. And select this specific checkboxes. Now you can move. Also you can delete and so on. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.